Hello class, my name is Carlos Montilla Rincon. I am from De Dorada. I am psychology student. I come to talk about one of the 7 wonders of the world I visited. It is a great world of China. It is wonderful, beautiful, restored has a great history and importance of the Asia culture and from the rest of humanity. Like what I did of little turbines, but still is born an unique experience that everyone should have to opportunity to live, because it brings the make it third its world history. I love you so much. Do not forget my invitation. Okay?